Hey, who sponsored this video?
Squarespace.
Oh, okay.
Plushies. Hell yeah, freaking plushies, baby. I made my own custom 1000 plushie. Look at how cute that little fella is. It's been a long and crazy journey designing this plushie, and I've actually documented the whole thing. So before I show you guys this amazing plushie that I made, let's go back to the past and check out the crazy journey this has been.
Many months earlier.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for taking this call with me.
Hey, my name's Sam. Yeah, great to be here again with you, Peter. How you doing?
I'm doing awesome.
Sweet. So, here to talk some plushies.
Yeah, let's talk plushies. I have always wanted to make art plushies and art toys, but the world of making plushies has always been a bit overwhelming. That's why I wanted to reach out to you guys.
That's why Makeship exists. We want to make sure that we can make and ship the products that you're looking to create and take away all the logistical issues that sometimes come with trying to create merchandise.
Sweet, man. Take me through the process a little bit. Like, how does this all work?
Hi, Peter. My name is Mike. We take your character or we take your creation that you've made and we start targeting in on making it a tangible makeshift plush. Once we go through that process, we then submit back to you a proof so you can offer all the feedback that you'd like to on the design. Once you give the final sign off, we then take it out and we start putting it together for the physical prototype. From there, then you say, all right, great, let's get this out and let's get it into the e-commerce store.
Probably a lot of the YouTubers and content creators that you guys work with are just like scribble something on a napkin and they're like, here's kind of like my rough idea. I thought it would be cool, but like I'm an artist. This is an art channel, so I want to dive deep into the art side of this thing. I think what needs to happen next is I jump into the sketch phase and the color phase and come up with something to present to you guys and your design team so that you can work with it.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. This is going to be awesome, guys. I'm super excited to be working with you.
I can't wait.
I can't wait to see it. I've been following your channel for a bit now as well too. So I've seen a couple of your creations that I'd love to create myself.
Sweet. That's good news. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go get drawing and I will talk to you guys soon.
When it came time to start my concept art, I reached for my trusty iPad Pro. My goal was to make something quintessentially 1000, something iconic that my fans could instantly recognize as my art.
Trying to make this thing cool and yet have it be simple enough to be a plushie is definitely a challenge. This is the point where I usually want to start adding more and more details and keep pushing it further and further, but that just won't work for a plushie. Designing something like this where it's got the front view and the side view and the back view is tricky to get the proportions right. I'm using lots of like grids. It's not just a static straight on image. I'm trying to communicate every side of this product.
Okay, I finished my sketch here. I went with the whole strategy of making the head like 70% of the entire figure's body. That's how I achieve my maximum cuteness ratio, is just a big freaking noggin on top of this plushie's head. But I'm liking the way it's going. It's like that quintessential 1000 character, but just like super cute, squeezy, cuddly version of it. So I guess now it's time for me to maybe play around with some colors on this thing. So let's do that. I exported the sketch out of Procreate as a Photoshop file and airdropped it over to my computer. Once I got it into Photoshop, I started playing around with color palettes and just looking for that quintessential 1000 color scheme that would really make this plushie pop. I'm working strictly with Pantone colors right now, which is like a universal design code for colors. That way I know what I'm choosing is what they'll choose, and there's not gonna be any discrepancy with the colors as it moves to the makeshift team and then to the manufacturing people. People ask me why I don't just color in Procreate. There's a lot of reasons, but one reason is the Pantone libraries are super easy to access in Photoshop. I'm really trying to keep the color scheme simple here. The guys over at Makeshift didn't say there was a limit to my colors, but I just figure it'll be easier through the manufacturing process if I keep the color scheme limited. Plus, just design-wise, I'm really into limited color schemes right now. Oh,
what's up, Makeshift team? Good to talk to you guys again. How's it going?
Good, good. Nice to see you again.
I just finished something that I'm super excited to show you guys. I just emailed it to both of you, so please check that file you just got in your inbox.
I'm just pulling this up here. Amazing.
Awesome, man. I was kind of nervous to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Is there anything that is like a blaring detail sticking out? Is it too detailed, or what do you think?
So yeah, I love it. Honestly, it's unique. It's definitely to your style as well. I say I really appreciate the fact, and this is good for anybody that is creating any type of product, is that you included a color palette, Pantone colors as a code. So it's a lot easier, I think, for anybody that's going to be creating a product. So big fan of that. But yeah, overall design, I think it's going to be excellent. Your fans will love it.
Sweet. That's music to my ears. All right, nitty gritty, man. Tell me about the design process.
So just jumping into the actual design, it is beautiful. There's absolutely no question. This is one of the things, though, that we do run into a lot of our clients with. And one of the problems is that they are fantastic artists. They understand exactly what it takes to make a beautifully and aesthetically pleasing character. But then we do enter into the realm of product limitations. So one of the things I'm just taking a look at right away is the lip and the nose area that you have on the front of the face. It looks absolutely amazing. On the side of the face, though, I do have to caution you. Getting those small details embroidered into tight seams and actually having them poking out ever so gently from the face. This is something that's fantastic for vinyl design, but it is a limitation within plush. So getting those small, tight, probably less than 45-degree angles in some spots really doesn't lend well. And when we create it like that, it actually ends up looking worse than what you might expect. So simplifying the design, working with more embroidery to call out those details and those design elements is something that we definitely encourage, because we want you to be able to deliver the best product possible.
That's awesome. That's something that I wasn't really thinking about. Is that something that your design team, because of their expertise making plushies, can make subtle changes to my design, and then I can kind of take a look and see if it's like in the right ballpark or something?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet. Anything else you're noticing?
Well, yeah, I got my design background here, so I'm looking at a couple of things. One of the things that I'm noticing right off the top, and I would call my designers out for the same thing here, but the nose on top of your hood is not the same color as it is in the front as it is to the side. So this is a thing. I'm going to have to ask you to clean up this product design order before it gets to me.
Yeah, I forgot to. It's supposed to be blue on all of them, but after I sent it, I was like, damn it, I forgot to color that nose.
Yeah, I'm just playing though. Absolutely no problem. You've already done half the work with the Pantone color, so I'm good here.
Awesome. Anything else?
So Peter, just one last thing before we end this conversation. I just really wanted to let you know Makeshift's whole stance on carbon neutrality, and that, as we get these products to you and your fans, that we do our best to be able to make sure that we have the lowest carbon footprint possible when it comes to delivering high-end merchandise to people. Straight down to the packaging that you'll receive the plush in. It's actually a reusable tote bag, and we really do encourage fans and purchasers to use this for whatever they can see.
That's so awesome, man. That's like definitely one of my concerns, and one of the reasons why I wanted to reach out to you guys in general about this project. Cool. So it seems like I have something solid that you guys can work with. I guess next time we reconvene, you will have something super cool to show me, and I am like anxiously anticipating that moment for sure.
I'm looking forward to giving you that moment.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, go do your job, and we'll talk soon.
Yeah, it's been real. Take it easy.
Good talking to you.
Great.
While I was busy back at home working on other projects and making new YouTube videos, the awesome designers over at Makeshift were busy turning my rough concept sketch into something that could be turned into an actual physical plushie. They were changing little details, making the mock-ups more accurate, and getting them ready to send off to the manufacturers so an actual sample could be made. All right, I think I just got an email from Makeshift that should have the schematic freaking mock-up thing that they've been working on. So I'm really excited to check this out. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. That looks sick. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Holy cow, is that backpack removable? Oh, I didn't even think about that. That's so sick. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fire. It's so cute. There's the little bag it comes in. There's the little tag. Oh, I guess I gotta come up with a name for this thing. beautiful bunny boy. I don't know. Okay, I gotta reach out to these guys and let them know that this is freaking awesome. Dude, Sam, I just got the design file. It looks so sick.
Man, I'm so happy to hear that you like it. We're looking forward to getting this made for you.
Dude, is that backpack freaking removable? Is that what I'm seeing?
Heck yeah, man. Thought you'd have an extra little feature in there, you know?
It looks so awesome, man. It looks great.
So yeah, we'll get this moving along. We'll get the samples sent off to our manufacturer to get that made for you.
Sweet, I cannot wait to see the sample, dude. Thank you so much, it's looking awesome. Okay, I can't figure out what to name this guy, so I'm gonna put him out on my private Patreon Discord server and see if my patrons can help me figure out a name for this, because I'm stumped. Bing. What should I name this guy? Hopefully my patrons can help me. Somebody said Edwin, just Edwin. I don't know if that's very marketable. Thanks a lot, patrons. Bilbo Swaggins is kind of winning right now. Somebody said Roy the Rabbit, Bunny Ear Billy. So I was kind of joking around and I was like, maybe it should be Sven Gunn, which was like my burner alter alias account on those Fiverr videos, and it's getting like all the upvotes. So maybe this little guy will be Sven Gunn. This is so stupid. Oh my God, it's evolving. So it's now changed to Sven Bun because it's based off of Sven Gunn, but he's in a bunny costume. So it's now it's Sven Bun. Bro, this is the stupidest name ever and I love it. Sven Bun? Once upon a time, there was a boy named Sven Gunn. He was an average boy. He liked to ride his bike and look for bugs. He liked raspberry Pop-Tarts and collectible monster toys. Yep, pretty average boy. Until one day, his wise old grandma gave him a mysterious package. He opened it, and inside was a perfectly tailored bunny hoodie and a bright blue backpack. Grandma said,
"This is no ordinary hoodie, and this is no ordinary backpack. They are magical adventuring equipment, and when you put them on, they will show you a whole new world of excitement."
Sven's eyes shone with joy. He climbed into the handmade hoodie and flung the backpack over his shoulders.
"How do you feel?"
said Grandma.
"I feel epic,"
Shouted Sven.
"I am no longer Sven Gunn, but in this bunny hoodie, I am Sven Bun."
Sven Bun flew out the door, jumped on his bike, and set off on his next adventure. All right, those fine folks over at Makeshift are working on getting me a sample, a tangible physical prototype that I can look at. Very, very exciting. But that's gonna take a little bit. You know what? That gives me the perfect amount of time to tell you about this video's sponsor, Squarespace. Yo, Squarespace is a website where you can build freaking websites. It's where I built my freaking website, and my website is like the center to my whole dang business. It's how I make money. Money's cool, you know. If you want to buy like baguettes or something, Squarespace will help you get baguettes. That should be their new tagline. It's super duper freaking easy to build a website on Squarespace. They got templates. Boy, oh boy, do they got templates. All you gotta do is take your awesome content, pop it into these beautiful award-winning Squarespace templates, and boom, you got a website. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be an HTML wizard. Templates, baby. They got them. You want them. They're sick. Squarespace. I know what you're asking yourself, 1000. I mess a lot of stuff up. I do dumb things sometimes. Bro, me too. Squarespace got your back. Customer service. Yeah, they got it. Guess how often? 24/7, baby. 24/7 customer service. So there's nothing holding you back from making a dope-ass website. Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your site, you can go to little old squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. Deals. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. I'm still just waiting for my plushie sample to arrive, so now what?
A few weeks later.
It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. It's here. Yeah, baby. The Makeshift sample has arrived, y'all, and I am very excited. Ooh, let's pop this thing open. Old Knifey McGee, Slasher Magoo. Shah! Cool box. Cool bag. Oh, snibbity snap. Reusable tote, anyone? I think so. Sick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's in there. Oh my gosh. What? Look at that. No freaking way. It looks so sick. Look at his little zipper. Sven Bun in the building. Sven Bun in the building, y'all. The floppy ears, though. Yeah, they nailed it. The backpack. Let's see how the backpack comes off. Oh, he's so cute. Tiny little backpack. So freaking cute, man. Look at that thing. Oh. Bruh. Oh, that's hot. Dang, all that's left to do is to launch the freaking pre-order campaign. So let's go ahead and do that. This guy is available right now on Makeshift. There's a link to it down below that like button. You can hit the like button on the way down there. The pre-order campaign for this little fella right here is gonna be open for 21 days. 21 days, that's 3 weeks, y'all. You can get your pre-orders in. After that, no mas, gone forever. See you later, Sven Bun. And then they told me, just keep this in mind, please listen very carefully. They told me it's gonna take about 45 days to manufacture them, and then they'll be shipped out all around the world. They ship to probably almost every country in the world. So yeah, you guys can go get one right now on the Makeshift website. That's how we do. Thank you guys for watching. I'm 1000, this is Sven Bun. We out here, baby. I will catch you guys on the next one.